Here are some keynotes in this section. Firstly, we can use Bootstrap and jQuery by adding some WebJAS dependencies in the Maven project file. In this way, the resource files of Bootstrap and jQuery are available in the class path of the application. And we should add the Spring DevTools dependency for the project, so the application will restart automatically whenever we make changes to the project's code, and it reduces the testing time a lot, as we don't have to manually stop and start the application each time we make changes to the code. And we should put the static resources like images under the directory src main resources static in the project. And for the URLs in the HTML code, we should use time-lived syntax with the prefix th: before the attribute that requires an URL. For example, th: src for the image tag here, and th: sref for the hyperlink tag here. And time-lived template engine will generate the URL dynamically based on the application context path. So this is a proper way to specify URLs in a Spring Boot application.